This is the Route 66 grade crossing located on the NS Chicago line in Archbold, Ohio. Here we have two newer gated signals. These were installed in the early 2020s and replaced a pair of Conrail signals. This is over you looking south to get a look here at the northern signal. Got 12 by 20 inch GE uniform look LEDs inside Safetran frames. Here's the ENS tag. Dot number is 509525E. Got a newer WCH gate saver and a WCH style 4 gate mechanism, which is nice to see on NS. Oh, sorry about that. Had a westbound come up suddenly. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. We got a double-sided Siemens base. Back view of the lights. The main gate has newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs, and we got a pedestrian gate here as well, also with a 4-inch RECO LED and the newer striping. And on top we got a GS Type 3 bell. It's the westbound down there. Back view of the northern signal. There's no reason now looking north to get a look here at the southern signal. Again, this also has a GS Type 3 E-bell. 12 by 24 in or 12 by 20 inch Safetran frames with GE uniform look LEDs. ENS tag again. WCH gate saver. Siemens base, double-sided. WCH style 4 gate mechanism. Safetran junction box. Back view of the lights. The gates also have the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Again, nice little pedestrian gate. Back view of the southern signal. There's the relay bungalow in the southwest quadrant. Grade is all rubber. Track view facing west towards Edgerton, Elkhart, and eventually Chicago. And track view facing east towards Toledo and Cleveland. So as I said, these replaced a pair of older Conrail signals. They also have pedestrian gates on them, just like the new signals do. Originally they had a Safetran Type 3 bill and a GS Type 3. The Safetran Type 3 was mostly dead, and I think that later did get replaced by a GS Type 3. And then they went in and replaced the signals as well, so short-lived GS Type 3 on that one. But yeah, anyways, this has been the Route 66 grade crossing.